Hey there, it's Rochelle here from Soundscaping Source. I've got a quick music and caregiving tip for you today, and that is to turn off the news and to turn on music instead. Now, this tip especially applies if you are caring for people who have dementia. If you can think about what the experience is like if you're going along in your day and then this light box in the corner, this TV, starts telling you that kids were murdered at a school today, or that a fire burned down a house across the street, or that um, uh, we're at war, or all these horrible things that come across in the news. If you have dementia or another cognitive impairment, then you're not going to have the context to may be able to make sense of that. It can become something that becomes very personalized quickly, and that is very scary and can cause a lot of anxiety and this emotional pain that we don't want to be causing the people that we're caring for. We might not even be able to recognize an hour later why this person is upset when it turns out that it was because they heard some scary stuff on the news that they can't tell you about now, why they're feeling that way. So rather than having the news or Jerry Springer or even soap operas or something like that playing on a loop in a common area or in somebody's bedroom, choose music instead. Now, there are certain pieces of music that are going to bring up strong feelings or that are going to make people upset and that kind of thing. And so it's not 100% safe just to play music in a common area, but it's probably going to be better than hearing about all of the turmoil and chaos that's going on in the news, okay? So my recommendation is to turn on some music instead of the news to help keep your caring environment calmer. Now, this goes for you as a caregiver too. I myself am a news junkie, a political junkie. I love listening, following what's going on in the world, in the United States. But I know in myself that there are times when I need to turn that off, put on music instead, and it can help to get me in a better place so that I can keep going with my day and doing what I need to do in the world. Okay? So tip for you and for the people you care for, turn off the news, put on some music, give yourself a break from that stuff, and enjoy the life that you have to live right now. That's all I got for today. I will see you again in another video.